All those caring for and working with children and young people have a role to fulfil in recognising children's rights and helping them reach their potential as individuals. The UN CRC articles all contribute together to ensuring that children are kept safe, nurtured and treated with respect. The Regulation and Inspection of Social Care Wales Act 2016 was passed on the 18th of January 2016. It will place service quality and improvement at the heart of regulation, strengthening protection for those who need it, and ensure services deliver high-quality care and support. The Act increases duties and responsibilities for everyone providing care and support. The Act introduces a new system of service regulation and inspection, moving away from an establishment to a service provider-based model. This means that responsible individuals will be required to register with CSSIW, making them more accountable for the services provided. The new system of service regulation and inspection established by the Act is planned to be implemented and operational by April 2019. To achieve this, all service regulations will come into force in April 2018. The Early Years Outcome Framework set out by Welsh Government states that all children in the early years are and feel safe, are cared for, supported and valued, are resilient, capable and coping, are healthy, learn and develop, do not live in and are not disadvantaged by poverty. Each of these outcomes can be related to the appropriate articles of the UNCRC, as this diagram shows. Through the delivery of all services in Wales for children and families, there must be due regard for the United Nations Convention on the Rights of the Child. Children should be aware that they have many rights that they can rely upon, and also that they have the right to get involved and have their voices heard when decisions are made which affect their lives. The fulfilment of children's happiness and well-being is at the heart of this framework. It has already been stated that the UNCRC offers all settings the opportunity to develop a values framework and provide a learning environment that respects the rights of the child. Within the Convention, governments are tasked with ensuring that all parents and children know and understand the UNCRC. Therefore, this responsibility becomes that of the adults within childcare settings. You may already be wondering what impact this will have on you and your time, as well as the settings in which you work. And you would be forgiven at first for thinking this is just another tick box exercise or another flavour of the month government initiative that will come and go as quickly as so many others have before. Listening to young children through conversation and observation of their play and interactions has long been a cornerstone of early childhood education. Yet too often children's views and observations are not reflected in the development of practice, environments and policies. The UNCRC is the tool for ensuring that all young children are given what they need to lead a happy, safe and fulfilled life. Children's rights and entitlements are central to working effectively with young children. The UNCRC underpins much existing early childhood practice. However, there are many more articles to the UNCRC that as practitioners we should be taking into consideration in our practice. This is not another tick box exercise, and so much is being done already that you should not be inhibited by it. You should take the time to evaluate your setting to make sure that what you're already doing is effective, and to identify further what you and your setting can do to empower the rights of the children you support.